Hello and welcome to Beautiful Mind-IAS. I am Arun Kumar. We are discussing methods of psychology. In this connection, I am going to uh, highlight two important things. One, if somebody asks you, can you prove this thing? We often think yes or no, whatever. But as far as scientific approach is concerned, nothing could be proved. Remember this thing. This is not a scientific thing to prove something. Once there were theory that all swan are white. Then some individual discovered black swan. So see this thing. And now you can say that nobody yet has discovered a spotted swan. Means something is true till a new discovery takes place. In physics, if you uh, look at Newtonian mechanics, it was valid till Einstein discovered his own mechanics. And what was the idea? That speed and mass is not related, but in Newtonian mechanics say that if something is moving with the speed of light, then there could be change in mass also. See this, Newtonian mechanics was absolutely valid, proved, then a new approach disproved that. So right approach is to try to disprove something, and if all efforts to disprove something fail, we believe that opposite is true, means this is true. And this exactly the same thing and same approach is taken in court also. You might be you might be aware of the sentence beyond reasonable doubts. What does it means? That beyond reasonable doubts, we try to prove this person that this person is not guilty, but now we find that just opposite is true. That is why you are guilty. So in court, you are not. Nobody is proving that you are guilty. Right approach is no. The basic spirit is that try to basically prove that this person is not guilty. Getting? So this is the spirit and soul of scientific approach. That nothing can be proved. आप प्रूव करने की कोशिश मत करिए. आपको करना है disprove. Okay? And now see this thing in psychology. We have many theories that has been now modified by other researchers. That once there was theory of operant conditioning. Before that there was classical conditioning only. Thought everything will depend automatically, there will be connections. No, it depends upon the outcome also. And there is no role of cognition. But Bandura discovered that no, behavior is influenced by outcome also and our cognition also. See? So one motivation, see this. So till this theory is valid till it is disproved or by someone. This is the thing. I hope you have understood this. So no theory can be proved. Approach is we try to disprove. And one important research was, his name was Karl Popper. He called this approach null hypothesis approach. मीन्स आप किसी चीज़ को प्रूव करने की जगह उसको डिसप्रूव करने की कोशिश करिए. अगर प्रूव नहीं हो, डिसप्रूव नहीं होगा तो अपोजिट हो ही जाएगा. क्योंकि जैसे ही कोई चीज़ एक एविडेंस मिलता है आप तुरंत मान लेते सही है. हो सकता है 10 एविडेंस है जिसको आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया जो कहेगा कि गलत है. तो जब हम गलत करने के सारे उसको डिसप्रूव करने के सारे प्रयास हमारे फेल हो जाएंगे, देन वी वुड हैव रीजन टू बिलीव दैट अपोजिट इज ट्रू. So this is more scientific. Second one, nothing is certain but probable. What is certain? Many people think science is certain. For layman, science is 100% certain. But for a scientific person, science is probable. Even in physics. If you try to predict that what will be the actual position of an electron around the nucleus, and side by side you want to predict what will be the momentum at that moment, can you predict both things simultaneously? You cannot. This is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay, chemistry, physics, you can go. Forget about. Take example in psychology, in behavioral science also. if you reinforce a response, do you think it will be repeated? Probability is there. But sometimes it may not. And that is why no any theory you will find is 100%. So we test a theory at the level of 1% or 5%. 1% means there is chance for 1% chance for error. मतलब 99% ठीक है, 1% गलती हो सकता है. देखो, या थोड़ा और लिबरल है तो 5% तक जा सकते हैं. 95% सही है, 5%. और इसको इस स्टैटिस्टिकल रिलायबिलिटी को जो टेस्ट करने का जो तरीका है, देयर आर डिफरेंट टूल्स लाइक टी टेस्ट, एनोवा, है ना, बहुत सारे हमारे स्टैटिस्टिकल टूल्स हैं दैट वी अप्लाई टू टेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिकल रिलायबिलिटी ऑफ डेटा. अंडरस्टूड? जैसे आपने डेटा कलेक्ट किया एंड आप प्रिडिक्ट करते हु विल कम इन पावर, तो आपने तो बहुत सब कुछ किया अच्छा से. डिस्पाइट दैट थिंग योर प्रिडिक्शन में फेल. बट what would be the chance, what would be the level of prediction? That is why you can say that हमारा प्रिडिक्शन तो सही है, लेकिन कितना किस लेवल पे सही होगा डिपेंड करेगा. 1% या एरर के चांस हमेशा होंगे. सो नथिंग इज सर्टेन, एब्सोल्यूट, एवरीथिंग इज प्रोबेबल. प्रोबेबिलिटी बढ़ सकता है, घट सकता है, बट एब्सोल्यूट नहीं हो सकता. These two things you should always keep in mind while answering a question particularly related to methods of psychology. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में और बात करेंगे किसी और रिलेवेंट इश्यूज़ पे जो आप जनरली ज़्यादा गलतियाँ करते हैं. आंसर लिखते समय, जैसे हमारे टेस्ट सीरीज में बहुत सारे लोग आंसर लिखते हैं, तो उनको मैं ये चीज़ बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट थिंग. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट आपको पता है इसलिए गलती, आपको पता नहीं है इसलिए गलती की आपने. तो ये सब चीज़ों का ख्याल रखिए लिखते समय. असर्टिव नहीं होना ज़्यादा से, है ना. एंड अगर आपको टेस्ट सीरीज वगैरह के बारे में जानना है, क्लासेस के बारे में जानना है, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हमारे डिटेल दिए हुए हैं, आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.